Your bathroom is the first place you go every single morning. It sets the tone for your entire day. But when was the last time you truly, deeply, completely cleaned it? Not just wiped the sink and called it done. Today, we do the reset your bathroom has been quietly asking for, and we do it entirely naturally. Like, subscribe, or turn on notifications, because a clean bathroom is not a luxury. It is the foundation of a clean, healthy, peaceful home. Here is something nobody talks about honestly. The bathroom is the most used room in your entire home. Every single person in your household visits it multiple times every day. It handles more moisture, more bacteria, more daily wear than any other space you live in. It is also the room most people clean the least thoroughly. A quick wipe here, a spray and rinse there. Enough to make it look acceptable on the surface, while the real buildup continues quietly underneath, behind, and between every fixture and tile. The natural spring clean, room by room, surface by surface. We start at the top and work our way down, because every professional cleaner knows that cleaning from bottom to top means you are always dropping debris onto surfaces you have already cleaned. Sealing first. Take a damp microfiber cloth and wipe the sealing corners where moisture-loving mold spores love to begin their quiet colonization. A spray of undiluted white vinegar left on any discolored patches for 10 minutes before wiping will address early mold growth before it establishes itself into a serious problem. The exhaust fan comes next, and this is the one most people skip entirely. Remove the cover, wash it in warm soapy water, use a dry paintbrush or a can of compressed air to clean the dust from the fan blades themselves. That accumulated dust is not just aesthetic neglect. It is actively reducing the fan's ability to extract moisture from your bathroom, the single most important function it performs in preventing the damp conditions that mold and mildew need to thrive. A clean fan is a bathroom that breathes properly. The mirror, that surface that carries fingerprints, toothpaste splash, and that persistent film of haze, deserves a solution as simple as it is effective. Mix equal parts white vinegar and distilled water in a spray bottle. Spray generously across the entire mirror surface. Wipe with a crumpled sheet of newspaper or a clean microfiber cloth in circular motions. No streaks, no residue, no haze. The mirror reflects clearly and completely, the way it did when it was first installed. Finally, the overlooked spaces that a spring clean must reach. The base of the toilet where it meets the floor. The tracks of your shower door where soap scum and moisture create a consistently unpleasant buildup. The cabinet beneath the sink that accumulates forgotten products, dust, and moisture damage. The window frame and seal where condensation has been quietly creating the conditions for discoloration and mold. Spring cleaning means no corner is left unexamined, no surface is considered too small to matter. Every detail contributes to the whole. The deeper meaning of a clean bathroom. There is a reason people feel genuinely better after thoroughly cleaning their bathroom, and it goes beyond the practical. Your bathroom is a deeply personal space. It is where you begin and end every day. It is where you are most private, most vulnerable, most yourself. Not surface clean, but deeply, completely clean. It communicates something to your mind every time you walk into it. It says that you value yourself enough to maintain the space closest to your daily well-being. That quiet message, received twice or 3 times every single day, matters more than most of us realize. Spring cleaning your bathroom is not about one perfect day of effort that you have to repeat annually. It is about understanding which habits, applied consistently and with the right natural ingredients, prevent the buildup that makes deep cleaning feel overwhelming in the first place. Vinegar in the Showerhead bag once a month. Baking soda on the Grout every few weeks. A vinegar water spray on the mirror every few days. Small habits. Natural ingredients. A bathroom that looks, feels, and functions like new. Not just today, but every day that follows. You deserve to start every morning in a space that is genuinely clean. Now you know exactly how to create one. If this gave you the motivation to finally do that deep clean today, hit the like button right now. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a video like this one. Share it with someone whose bathroom deserves a proper spring reset. See you in the next one.